Hello, this is Alice from Lampack Machinery. Today I would like to introduce you how to change the film route on a multi-lane packing machine. This is the film route wearing device, and when you finish using the film, please make sure this part is wearing on the film wearing device normally, and don't change this part. 现在可以开始。And when this film route is finished, you need to tighten these two routes and then cut off by here, and then change a new film route on this film route wearing device, and then use tape to tape them together. Now you can run the machine again, so the new film route will running normally together with the old one wearing here. And how to wear this part of the film, we will show you a drawing to show you how to wear them on each part. One more thing need to inform you is that after you wear the film, you have to make sure the film is wearing in the middle. How to make sure, you can measure here from the edge to the cutter there. If this part is half of the total length, then it's in the middle. If not, you can adjust by these two arrows. Press here to move the film route on the right side, and press this arrow to move the film route to the right side. And adjust these two buttons to make sure this cutter is cutting the film route into half evenly. And also, you can check here if the sewing edge this side is wider and this side is smaller. You can change by this handle to move the whole sewing structure more closer to that part, to make sure the both sides of sewing edge is same size. Okay, that's all for my today's introduction. If you have any other question, you can contact our after-sales engineer to get more support. Thank you.